Hey friends, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, your upstate's local Bennington dealer. Today I'm standing in front of the 2024 22SX Swingback. This boat has the all-new anthracite color, which is one of my favorites. This boat also has the SPS tri-tune package on it to give you the performance that you want to have on the lakes around here. It is powered with a 200 horsepower Mercury with power steering and a ski tow bar. So this boat's more than capable to have a boat full of people, be able to pull the kids on the tube or a wakeboard or even do some skiing. Come on here to the back of the boat and let me show you some of the awesome features this way as well. This is the extended swim platform, our ski tow bar. It's got the rear facing reversible lounge seat. One of my favorite new features about this boat is the lily pad ladder. You almost walk up it like stairs, and it's spring assisted to pull in, so it really makes it easy to get it up and out of the water. And I can't wait to bring you inside and show you some more features. All right, thanks for joining me inside. This boat has two forward wraparound chase loungers, really comfortable seats. You can see how they wrap around the front to give you a rear facing view as well. In the middle of the boat, we have the captain and co-captain seat. This really gives you that sport boat feel that so many people love. Then you've got the rear bench, which is our swingback seat. So you got a nice interior seat, or reverse it to have that rear lounger I was showing you on the back side of the boat. Really easy to do so. Check out the dash on this. It's got a nice wraparound dash. Throttles down here right alongside you. Bluetooth stereo with color screen. And then this boat does have our digital dash option. So that's a chart plotter, GPS, all your gauges are built right into the dash. We'd love to show you this boat and many more that we got here at MarineMax in Greenville. Please come see us.